Hi, I'm Keandra Mills. I'm a software engineer on the Bitsbox team, and I'm also a mom of 3. I'm going to spend about a minute showing you how Bitsbox works. Your first Bitsbox will come with everything you see here. All you need to provide is a computer with a physical keyboard and internet. Any kind of computer will work. Bitsbox runs on the web. Bitsbox projects are like basic recipes. Kids start out with the code we provide. Then we challenge them to add on to their apps. Pretty soon, they're using what they've learned to make their own apps from scratch. Here's how it works. Kids choose an app to build. On the computer, they type in the JavaScript code from the project card. This creates an app that works on any computer, but also any phone or tablet. For example, to transfer the game that I made from my computer to my phone, all I have to do is zap this code and voila! Every month, we send you a new set of projects. Each box teaches a new computer science concept which builds on the previous boxes. Every box includes a grown-up guide, and we offer unlimited email support for when you get stuck. You don't have to know how to code to help your kids learn. We got your back. At Bitsbox, we believe that the best apps for kids are the ones they build themselves. Happy coding!